Hi, I am doing a little test here with the P-Touch test zone, and I'm excited to see the results. First of all, I was sent this piece of plexiglass, and it's got a label already attached. And so they also sent me some fingernail polish remover. I do have on gloves so that I don't take off the polish on my nails, so bear with me. Alright, so for the test, they asked me to rub all over the label. Ooh, and I would just imagine a normal label, this would just fall right off, because I can't imagine using such a toxic chemical onto the label and it not coming off. But oh my goodness, it's still there. It's not coming off. I also thought it would be fun to put this label onto a kitchen utensil. So I put it onto a server that I would be taking to potlucks, and I first hand washed it and it didn't come off. But second of all, threw it in the dishwasher. So I haven't seen, let's see what happened. There it is. Absolutely still intact. The P-Touch is tough. According to my test number 2, it did stay onto the serving utensil. And the last but not least, I actually decided to wash and dry a piece of clothing with a label on it. And so I'm going to actually do a second video of going to the dryer and seeing if it came out.